The smartphone camera game just got real. Huawei's 70 Ultra isn't just another phone, it's a statement. This is about pushing boundaries. We're talking next-level photography right in your pocket. For years, phone cameras have been good, but the 70 Ultra? It's different. This is about capturing moments in ways we never thought possible. The 200-megapixel sensor? That's not just a number, it's a revolution. We're talking detail like you've never seen, zoom capabilities that blow your mind, and low-light performance? Forget about it. This phone laughs in the face of darkness. The 70 Ultra isn't just about taking pictures, it's about capturing memories in their full glory. Okay, let's talk specs. The 70 Ultra doesn't disappoint. That 200-megapixel camera, it's the star of the show. But there's more. We've got a 6.8-inch OLED display, that means colors pop, and scrolling is buttery smooth. And the battery life? Let's just say you won't be needing a charger every 5 minutes. We're talking all-day power, easy. Plus, with 88-watt fast charging, you'll be back to 100% in a flash. Under the hood, we've got Huawei's Kirin 9010 processor. It's no slouch. This phone can handle anything you throw at it. Gaming, multitasking, you name it. The 70 Ultra is a beast. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. No Google services. This is a significant issue for many users who rely heavily on Google's ecosystem for their daily tasks and activities. It's a hurdle, no doubt. The absence of Google services can be frustrating, especially when you're used to the seamless integration of apps like Gmail, Google Maps, and YouTube. But Huawei's app gallery is stepping up its game. It offers a growing selection of apps and continues to improve. Plus, there are workarounds to get some Google services running. Is it ideal? No. But is it a deal breaker? That's up to you. It really depends on how much you rely on Google services and whether you're willing to adapt to new alternatives. On the plus side, HarmonyOS 4.0 is smooth and intuitive. The user experience is polished, and the interface is user-friendly. Huawei's really refined their software game. The operating system is responsive, and the overall performance is impressive. And let's not forget that camera. It's a game changer. The camera quality is outstanding, offering sharp and vibrant photos. The 70 Ultra is a premium device, and it comes with a premium price tag. The build quality and design are top-notch, reflecting its high-end status. So, is it worth it? This is a personal decision that depends on your priorities and what you value most in a smartphone. If you're looking for the absolute best camera on a phone, the answer is a resounding yes. The camera performance alone might justify the investment for photography enthusiasts, but if you're a die-hard Google user, you might want to weigh your options. Consider how much you're willing to compromise on Google services for the other benefits Huawei offers. Section 4. Going head-to-head, Ultra versus the competition. In this segment, we dive deep into the features and performance of the Huawei 70 Ultra, comparing it with the top contenders in the market. Let's see how the 70 Ultra stacks up against the big dogs. We'll be looking at various aspects like design, performance, and user experience. We're talking Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max. These are the heavyweights in the smartphone arena. In terms of camera versatility, the 70 Ultra takes the cake. Its advanced features make it a favorite among photography enthusiasts. That 200-megapixel sensor and retractable lens, unmatched. It offers unparalleled detail and flexibility for capturing stunning images. And when it comes to charging speed, the 70 Ultra leaves the competition in the dust. 88-watt fast charging, it's a game-changer for those always on the go. The S23 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max just can't keep up. The 70 Ultra charges significantly faster, saving you precious time. However, the lack of Google services is a major differentiator. This could be a deal-breaker for some users who rely heavily on Google's ecosystem. The S23 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max both have the advantage there. They offer seamless integration with Google services, which is a significant plus. Ultimately, the best phone for you depends on your priorities. Whether it's camera quality, charging speed, or app ecosystem, each phone has its strengths. But one thing's for sure, the 70 Ultra is a force to be reckoned with. Its innovative features and powerful performance make it a standout choice in today's competitive market. Section 5, My Ultra Life, a personal take. I've been rocking the 70 Ultra for a few weeks now, and honestly, I'm impressed. From the moment I unboxed it, I could tell this phone was something special. The sleek design, the feel in my hand, everything screamed premium. The camera is everything it's hyped up to be. With its advanced features and incredible clarity, it's like having a professional camera in your pocket. I've taken some of the best photos of my life with this phone. Whether it's stunning landscapes or detailed portraits, the 70 Ultra never disappoints. The battery life is a lifesaver, and the overall performance is top-notch. I can go through my entire day without worrying about running out of juice, and everything runs smoothly no matter how many apps I have open. Yeah, the lack of Google services is a pain sometimes. It's definitely a hurdle, especially if you rely heavily on Google apps for your daily tasks. But you know what? I'm finding ways to adapt. There are plenty of alternative apps out there, and with a bit of patience, you can find workarounds for most issues. And honestly, the camera alone is almost worth the trade-off. The night mode is particularly impressive, capturing details that other phones simply miss. The 70 Ultra is a bold statement from Huawei. It's clear they've put a lot of thought into this device, and it shows in every aspect. It's a phone that pushes boundaries and challenges the status quo. It's not just about following trends, it's about setting them. It's not for everyone, but for those who dare to be different. The 70 Ultra is a revelation. It's a device that stands out in a sea of sameness. So, what do you think? Is the Huawei 70 Ultra the phone for you? It's a decision that depends on what you value most in a smartphone.